It's one of the great ironies of shifting a sequential transmission that sometimes it is quicker, and a hell of a lot more controllable, to use the clutch pedal. According to Patrik Sandell, one of Subaru's two team drivers in the Red Bull Global Rallycross series, this is the smart way through the gravel, clutching between gears to reduce the massive wheel spin otherwise produced by simply yanking the shift lever at wide open throttle. We caught up with Subaru Rally Team USA in April outside of Phoenix as it tested the redesigned for 2017 Subaru GRC cars. We drove the 2016 car, which is heavier and less powerful than this year's car because we're not Patrik Sandell. Subaru's WRX STI GRC car is faster than I am. It's faster than you are. And judging by the gladiatorial antics demonstrated at the races, most every GRC car is faster than the hotshot getting paid to drive it. And with no electronic oversight, traction control and stability control are both banned in GRC, as are anti-lock brakes. That's a fine distinction in the sport. In GRC, as in mixed martial arts and probably a few other ego-fueled battle sports, being a gladiator is more frequently rewarded than as being reluctant. It looks a lot cooler too. But back to the sequential transmission. It's a macho component, purposeful and without flourish. Pull the lever at red line and it feels as if you're accomplishing something serious. There's a dull, mechanical sounding pop that accompanies every shift, a moment where, for once, anyone using the thing gets to feel like a hero. And like all purposeful machines, it requires effort. Being deliberate is a must, but when it's done right it's rewarding on a level only driving enthusiasts can appreciate. There's noise. The kind that you might imagine would come from a John Deere S-Series combine gnawing its way through a Yugo. In reality, it's the sound of straight-cut gears working in a case that's directly mounted to the chassis, as is the engine. Despite this, every upshift brings not just more speed, but also the urge for more shifting. It's like a drug, this thing.